Hello, this is Raymond Aaron, New York Times top 10 best-selling author. Actually, that's not Raymond. That is a picture of Raymond. But here I am in Los Angeles, teaching a 3-day course called Get Your Book Done. And I've got an entire room of eager, budding authors. And we're right in the middle. We're in day 2, and we've already covered a lot of stuff in day 1. And I want to introduce you to my budding authors. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Robert.
Robert, what do you do?
I'm the upcoming author.
Actually, you're already alive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. He forgot that he was born already. No, let's start again. I want you to look good. Okay, Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we are. Yeah. And look, here we have a wonderful person. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Robert.
Robert, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, You Don't Have to Be a Genius to Be a Genius.
Get out! That's a wow. What's it about?
It's about 9 ways.
It's okay, you can read it. He's so new at this. It's his little baby. He's forgotten his name.
Your 9-step journey to greatness.
Wow! Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shar.
Shar, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book.
The sentence ended too soon. Do you want to tell us the name of the book?
There is no pro in procrastination.
I love it. Oh my God, that's a great title. And what's it about?
How to prevent putting your life on hold.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Katerina.
Katerina, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book on transformation.
Oh, right. Wow. What's it about?
It's about overcoming extreme shyness to achieve maximum potential in life.
Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kat.
Kat, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, Elevate People and Profit Too.
Wow. What's it about?
It's about freeing yourself from financial worry and having everything you want.
Oh. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sonia.
Sonia, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, You Are Not Your Diagnoses.
Oh, wow. And what's it about?
It's about discovering the 5 pillars to reclaiming your health.
Oh, important book. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alfred.
Alfred, what do you do?
I'm the author of upcoming book, Prescriptions for Life.
Oh, wow. What's it about?
7 ways to success and happiness for you.
All right. All right. Look at all my exciting budding authors. Hi, what's your name?
Renee.
Renee, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Renee,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's so new. It's your little baby. You forgot its name already.
I know.
Go ahead.
So I'm the author of the upcoming book, So You Want to Work for Yourself.
Oh, wow. And what's it about?
10 things you should consider before quitting your job.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Anna.
Anna, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, Real Estate Made Simple.
Oh, important book. Wow. And what's it about?
It's about the 10 steps to get your home sold for top dollar.
Wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Princess.
Princess, a great name. What do you do?
I am the author of the new book, Hood to Hollywood.
Wow. What's it about?
It's about how you need to stop waiting to be discovered and discover yourself.
Oh, wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, the book on breakthrough education.
All right. All right. This is like, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Because now you're happy. Let's start again. Hi, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, the book on breakthrough education.
Wow. What's it about?
It's about the insights for creating successful individuals, nations, and the world.
Oh, what an important book. Wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hello,
I'm Sherry.
Sherry, you are happy.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, tell me what you do.
I'm the author of the upcoming book, Business Vision Boards.
Wow, what's it about?
It's your guide to creating a successful power tool.
Oh, wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Ursula.
Ursula, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, Dead People Can't Sell Stocks.
That's your title?
That's my title.
Well, you know the title is supposed to be catchy. Yours is catchy. Catchy hoo-ha.
I caught it.
You did. Wow. And what's it about?
It's the ultimate guide for trustees, administrators, and executors.
Oh, I get it. Oh my God, what a great book. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Christine.
Christine, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, The Hot, Juicy Pink Book.
Whoa! Wow, what's it about?
It's the optimized blueprint for successful midlife dating.
Oh, wow. Wow, hi, what's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron?
Yes.
Wow. We're like brothers.
Exactly.
And what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, Success Fuel.
Success Fuel?
Yes.
Wow, what's it about?
It's about the 7 mind-hacking principles that fuel our success.
Oh my God, that's wonderful. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Good morning, I'm Demita.
Demita, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, Pillars,
It's okay, you can look it up.
Pioneer Your Creative Legend.
Oh my gosh, what's it about?
8 Pillars to Brand Limitless Loyalty.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Linda.
Linda, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, Bad Bosses Are Hazardous to Your Health.
Bad bosses are Wow, that's funny. Tell me what it's about.
It's about how to identify them and get on the road to recovery.
Oh, wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Linda.
Linda, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, The Secret to Taxes.
The Secret to Taxes. Oh my gosh. And what's it about?
It's about 7 ways to getting the maximum refund.
Oh, I love it. I love it. These are great books. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Steve.
Steve, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book on cryptocurrency.
Oh, wow. What's it about?
It's about what you need to know in order to make money now.
Wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Theo.
Theo, what do you do?
I'm the author of the book, How to Make Money.
How to make money. That says it really clearly. What's it about?
It's about 10 ways for immigrants to increase their income.
Oh, what an important book. Important book. Hi, what's your name?
Carrie.
Carrie, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, 90 Seconds to Success and Riches.
Wow. Wow, what's it about?
It's about increasing your influence in sales in less than,
It's okay. It's okay. It's brand new. It's okay.
It's about increasing your influence in sales up to 300%.
Wow, I love it. I love it. Wow, look at my wonderful authors. They're all so happy. And you know what's important? They just got their title and subtitle yesterday, and so some of them forgot it or had to read it, but it's wonderful. It's wonderful because they had the courage to do it. Wow. I love that I'm a publisher. I love that I help people get... Why don't I turn it so they can see me? Yeah, there I am. I love that I'm an author. I love that I help people publish their book around the world from Singapore to Slovenia. I just love my life, and here I am in Los Angeles loving my life and helping other people love their life and get branded and write a book. I'm so, so happy. So share and like and comment. I want to see all those little happy faces floating across the screen. Thank you. Bye-bye.